Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to remove watermark on TikTok video. So there are two ways to actually do this. The first way is when you're uploading a video, and the second way is through someone's video. So to do this, you have to click on the plus icon. If you want to upload a video, click on post and select the particular video you want to upload. So on your upload video, you just select the particular video you want to upload, click on next, click on next, click on next. Now you see more option, click on it. So you just have to scroll down. You're going to see save post without watermark, so you just have to make sure that the toggle is being turned off. That is it if you want to upload a video without watermark. But if you want to remove watermark from someone's video, you just have to save the video you want to remove watermark from. The next thing is to go to your gallery. So you just have to go to any of your editing app. For this video, I'm making use of CapCut. Click on the plus icon, select the particular video you want to edit, click on add. So on this video, I just have to crop it. Cropping it, I'll remove the watermark automatically. So this way I have removed the watermark automatically from this video. So guys, that is it on how to remove watermark from TikTok video. If this video was helpful, do all to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.